Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to another vlog. So in today's vlog we're actually going to take this car to Zeeline. I'm actually getting ready to leave right now. As you can see, tappet cover is still off. Put that back on. I fixed the leak, or I think I fixed the leak. I hope I did. And we'll actually be using the parts from, can't even say, but the daily's over there. Not my daily, my dad's daily. But we're gonna be robbing parts off from that today. So yeah, I got my battery. I'm gonna take the two wheels off from there, get that sorted, and then take the car to Zeeline. I got my brother here. He's going to basically tow me down to Zeeline, and I'll definitely film once we're there. But let's get to it. Yo guys, so tappet cover's back on. Yeah, I got a couple of things sorted. So I got the tappet cover back on. I have the plugs put back in. Got the coils put back in as well. So yeah, we're getting somewhere. I just need to change the wheels, put the bonnet on, and then we should be ready to go. So yeah, I got the battery. Battery's pretty strong. I'll actually give it the swing so that you guys can hear what it sounds like. But battery's pretty strong. The car does do some weird things, so that's why I'm actually taking it to Zeeline to hopefully they can get the car started. I'm not sure if it is the tune or if it's something else that I may be missing, but we are gonna get everything sorted. So yeah, we're making some good progress today. Super excited because I'm finally gonna get my car back on the road. Like 3 years. 3 years. And the thing is, no, this is kind of an awesome opportunity getting to share it with you guys, because like yeah, I wish I could have gone through the whole process of actually swapping these beams in this car, but unfortunately yeah, I didn't think to make a YouTube channel at the time. So stay with me guys, I'm going to fit the wheels and then get the car ready to go. So let's continue. Done. Everything is ready, everything is basically good to go. I just have to fit the bonnet. As you can see, everything is still basically off, but yeah, got the wheels on, both wheels is on. I'm actually gonna swing it for you guys so you guys can basically hear what it sounds like. That's all I'm gonna give you guys. I'm not gonna swing it again. But yeah, car swings, everything is ready. There is oil in the car, and yeah, I'm just I'm stupid excited right now because my car's actually going away for startup. I'm not actually going to tune the car right now. There are still a couple of things I need to get sorted, but I want to make sure that the car does actually run and drive before I tune it. So I'm gonna take the car, I'm gonna ask him just to have it started up, be able to move under its own power, and if any issues come up I will have to sort that out. So yeah guys, my brother's actually somewhere over there getting the car. So yeah guys, this is this is super excited, so let's get to it. guys, so got bad news. Unfortunately, it seems like the car does not have enough compression. So it's kinda crappy. I was at Zeeline now with the car. I didn't record while we were there because they were kind of busy with client cars and I couldn't really film there. So yeah, car's back at home. Kind of disappointed, but I guess that's the name of the game. So I guess you guys will see how the head gets taken apart and what needs to be done. He suggested that I take the head off, take it to the engineers, have everything pressure tested, and then see from there. Because I did the entire head over, but one thing that I didn't do, I did not reshim the car. So he said that might be an issue as to why there is little to no compression. So I'm going to see if I can get me a compression tester, test the compression, and then just take it from there. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get the head apart in the next few days. I'm gonna speak to my dad when he gets home, and then take it from there. So yeah guys, sorry for the disappointing ending to this video, but unfortunately that's what it is. So see you guys in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button down below, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. So peace.